My challenge for you is to just make a video. Hit the start button, hit record, and start making your video. I recently got one comment that made a big, huge, gigantic difference in my video making, and that was I did not realize that I was uploading videos in 720p instead of 1080p. Yeah, the comment came across like a sledgehammer to some retina burning headlights at night, but you know, it was helpful. It took a little bit of, like, what on earth, but it was helpful. One comment made a difference, and I do appreciate it.